Hey guys, it's Ruby, and today I'm going to show you guys a handful of really quick styles that you can do if you have 5 minutes or less to get your hair done and out the door. I'm just going to roll through them and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing as I'm styling my hair. This first one is going to be a sleek low bun. Next is going to be a top knot. This is going to be a half up and half down hairstyle. And this is another half up, half down hairstyle. Now we're going to do space buns. Now this is going to be a ponytail hairstyle. Now we're going to do a little braid action. Turn this into a bun. Another half up, half down hairstyle.
another braid style.
I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tips on some quick hairstyles, and subscribe to our channel to see more. And if you're wanting our tools and products, check us out at profashionhair.com.